George here from George Schlockheck Professional Handyman Service. Now today I'm going to tell you something about drywall repair you may not know yet. A lot of people ask me about the dust when I tell them that I do drywall repair. They're afraid they're going to breathe dust for weeks on end after I'm done. Now I can assure you it's no longer true. See, the system I use, it's got the shop vac here and sanding pad hooked up right here. So I can actually do this without a dust mask on, and it won't bother me at all. Let's have a look. I'll be sanding this spot right there. I'll be grabbing the camera and it's perfectly smooth except there's some bubbles in there. This is only the second coat, so it's not exactly the finish yet, but just to show you, it looks pretty good. And now we're going to look at the floor, because normally when you sand there, the dust is going to accumulate down there. But there's none. So this system... Thinking about drywall repair, and the worry about a dusty environment has kept you back, call me at 780-257-4536 to book your dust-free drywall repair. Thank you for watching.